last part left, okay? Assertion reasoning type equations, okay? What does assertion mean, beta?
It's a statement with
This kind of a
information.
statement there. What they are going to assert, assertion, and it is the second thing is reasoning. So they are asking you to, there are two type things in here. One is assertion. Just a moment. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is a correct explanation of assertion. Okay. We have four options here: A, B, C, D. Okay. They are going to put out two rules here. One is an assertion, and one is a reason to that. They are going to assert something, and they are going to provide a reason for that why they have taken this assertion. Okay. What we have to check here is whether assertion is right or the reason it's right. If both assertion and reason are true, then why is it true? And what more? Okay, we need to reason it, and why is it, as whether assertion is true or reason is false, and this way you have to show. Okay, we'll just see the questions directly. This might be confusing, the options might be confusing. Let's directly see the question, and then we'll see the options. Okay, the question number one, Liva, come on, read this beta. Let me please read the first assertion. Can you see it? Should I enlarge it more?
No, I can see.
It's fine. Okay.
ABCD is a quadrilateral in which P, Q, R, and S are the midpoints of AB, BC, CD, and DA respectively. Then PQRS is a parallelogram.
Okay, the assertion that they have made here is, Liva, can you please explain what assertion they have made? ABCD, if ABCD is any quadrilateral, okay, let's name ABCD as a quadrilateral, okay, in which PQRS are the midpoints of, let's name PQRS are the midpoints of PQRS are the midpoints of AB, BC. Okay, here will be Q, here will be R, and here will be, yes. Okay, PQRS is the midpoint of AB, BC, CD, DA, respectively. Then PQRS is a parallelogram. If we join this, then PQRS will be a parallelogram. Okay, this is an assertion made. Okay,
Yes.
whether this is right or not, how can we understand whether it is right or not? I think we have solved actually a problem on this. They just mentioned a quadrilateral. For example, there was some quadrilateral, like it was a rhombus or something like that, and then they have named it, and it was actually a parallelogram. But this assertion cannot be true without the reason. Okay, let's check what the reason is. Okay, let's check what the reason is. Come on, Library, read the reason.
The line segment joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and equal to half of it.
The line segment joining the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and equal to half it. Is it not the midpoint theorem?
It is.
Yes. So they have given the explanation to this one as the midpoint theorem. Is this right? Is the reason right? Yes, this statement is true, as well as this statement is true. You actually had to prove this. Actually, you can just take the textbook questions. You actually had to prove this question. Okay. So this and this both statements are true. Okay, right? Even the reason is true and both the assertion is true. So which option is right for this? Both assertion and reason are true. Reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Is the reason correct explanation of assertion? Yes, they have explained it right, that the midpoint theorem exists here, right, beta? So
Yes.
option A is for number one. Okay. The first question holds the option A as an answer. Okay. You can also give the reason. The statement is true. The line segment joining the midpoints of the side of the quadrilateral results in the parallelogram, and the reason correctly explains this. Okay. You have to write it in this way. This reason correctly explains this. Okay. Next one. Come on, read this, beta. Read the next second statement, assertion as well as the reason.
ABCD is a quadrilateral in which PQRS are the midpoints of AB, BC, CD, and DA respectively. Then PQRS is a parallelogram.
It's the same assertion that they have given before.
Yes.
Okay, for that assertion, what they are going to give the reason? The line segment joining the midpoints of any two sides of the triangle is parallel to the third side of the and equal to half of it. Both questions are similar, right?
Yes.
Yes. So both have the same answer. Okay, both have same answer. Come on, let's go to the third question, beta. ABCD and PQRS are rectangles and Q is a midpoint of AC. Then, okay, come on, read this.
ABCD and PQRS are rectangles and Q is the midpoint of AC. Then DP is equals to PC.
Check this quadrilateral better, whether DP is equal to PC.
Can you zoom it in?
Yes, but I'll surely. So I just asked you whether you have it at hard copy or not, so that it could be easy for you. That's all right. I'll just. Okay, now is it fine? Yes. Come on, Liba.
Yeah. DP is equals to PC.
Is it? Yes, right? Assertion. Assertion ka matlab this statement that they have made, the bold statement that they have made is true. Now let's check the reason that they have given is correct or not. Come on, beta, reason. Come on, read the reason.
The line segment joining the midpoints of any two sides of triangle is parallel to the third side and equal to half.
Whether this reason is true or not.
It is true, but it's not for the assertion.
This scenario, yes, exactly. This is not true for this scenario because we do not have something called as a midpoint theorem. For example, if you consider this triangle, they are drawing it the half, not this half. But we wanted this half, right?
Yes.
If we had a triangle, midpoint theorem exists only if you have it in this way, not it in this way, correct?
Yeah.
Correct, beta, not joining the point, midpoints, the point, and then the midpoint of something. But the midpoints of the sides they are joining, then it is called as a midpoint theorem. So the reason is not true. What you have to write here is which point, beta, which point A, B, C, D. There is an option A, B, C, D. Which point will you write? Assertion is true, reason is false. Is it C?
Yes.
Yes. So assertion is true that DP is equal to PC in a rectangle, but the reason is not valid for this particular scenario. For this scenario, okay? But the reason is valid actually in different scenario, but for this scenario it is invalid, right?
Yes.
Yes. This is actually right. This statement is right, but it is not actually the particular reason for this assertion. Understood? So what is assertion? What is the reason? Beta, assertion is a statement that they have made, okay, they have claimed something here, okay. For that they have given the reason. You have to just prove whether this reason is true for the particular assertion made, or whether this assertion is right, or whether this reason is right or not. Okay, in this way you're going to solve these problems. Any doubts in quadrilateral? Do you have any doubts in quadrilaterals?
No.
Okay, mashallah. Try reading it best today your test, inshallah.